Alright, Vespa piston slap. What is it? Well, it's when the piston, the aluminum, wears out or it overheats a few times. And what happens is with performance bikes is these two pieces bend in a little bit because there's no support here, and you end up with the piston being able to do this, rock, and the piston. Here's the piston. I'll show you how it does it. If you listen, you'll hear it clack. Hear it? This piston, it's a little harder for it to happen. It has a support from here to here. So these two pedals can't bend in. What happens is, and it also isn't worn out that bad, even though there's maybe 20,000 miles on this. Watch this. No rattle. I can shake as hard as I want. No rattle. In any direction. No rattle. Nothing. No rattle at all. Hear it? Nothing. This bike, the aluminum wore out as well from overheating. Now it's not that loud because the bike, it's not hitting the speeds to make it loud, going up and down, really, cranking. That's piston slap for a Vespa. I had to pull this out of a bike. It needs a new piston, and I just put another one in, but I'm just going to buy a piston for this and use it. But it doesn't affect the way the bike rides because the rings are still fine. All you'll do is get a clacking sound, and it rocks like this. See from this pivot point? Click, click, click. At the top, it rocks one way. The bottom, it rocks another. It's very simple. See it rock? Rocks that way. Rocks in the piston. Just like it's rocking here. Alright? A lot of people don't believe it exists, and they just, and it's fine because the bike will run, it's fine. And it does it loud when the bike idles only. When the bike's running, for some reason it balances itself out and it stops, But when it's idling, it's going so slow that it gives it the opportunity to do it. So, a lot of people just live with it. It's better than spending a ton of money just to fix a clacking sound. But I usually fix it because it's not that hard for me to do. I just get another piston and put it in, or I'll change the kit. What are you going to do? I see it a lot on Melosi 166 kits because these pedals tend to bend in so much when they really overheat and cook and seize a little bit, soft seize a few times. These pieces come in a little bit sometimes, and then you end up with this coming in, and then it has the ability to do it. So, but if it doesn't happen, if it doesn't overheat a lot or take care of it, it never happens. All right, well, that's it. I know a lot of people aren't going to believe me. That's fine. What am I going to do? A lot of people think it's just normal.